Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the event option in the calendar section, and by the end you will have all the insights how you need to use the event option in the calendar section. So grab the seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So for creating the event from the calendar, first of all you need to go to the section, click on the day to open the quick event form. Specify the event name and the time date related to that event. You can also add the one or several reminders for that particular event related to the location or the participant. Add attendees to the event. Use the planner view to see the availability of the participant and select the most convenient time at the day. Enable the notify decision option to get the notification about your colleague's reaction. If you need to discuss some of the details, you can open the chat, start the video call, post the feed, or create the task from the event also. If you need the more event in the details, you can use the full editor mode also. For creating the event from the calendar section, first of all, you need to go to the calendar section. In calendar, we have the option of creating event. So once we click on the event, first of all, we need to write the event name over here. That is, we are writing the Republic Day event. After that, you just need to add the event date and time. So we'll add the today's date and time for this particular event. After that, we have the option of repeat the event daily or weekly or monthly. You can set this according to your convenience. In the location, we have option to select the location for this particular event. You can configure also the list for this event. For the more location, you just need to add the configure list and you can add the more location over here. After that, in attendance, you just need to add the participant who are invited for this particular event. So we just add the group of people for this particular event. Once participants are added, here we have the small icon option, that is the notify the attendees confirm or decline invitation. So we just need to check that option. After that, suppose you want to add some of the description related to the event, you just need to add description over here. So we'll add one description. After that, we have the reminder option. We just need to set the reminder before the 1 day or 10 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. You just set this according to your convenience. After that, we have the event color. That is the color which you need to add for this particular event. Availability of the room, private event or the public event, or suppose this event is related to some of the crm entity, you just need to add that entity over here. Once you add that entity, so we will see that event is generated for this particular crm entity. Once we click on the save, here we will see that event is added over here in this particular section. So here we will see the event is added over here to the 5 to 6, that is the Republic Day event. And all the employees will get the notification related to this event for the particular timing. Before the 10-15 minutes, you just need to set the reminders for that. Once you set the reminder, the employee will get the notification related to the event. So this is how you can create the event in the calendar section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.